Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
There were 10 little ducks, oh so bright, in a pond full of colors, a delightful sight. Let's learn our colors, they quacked with glee. Join us now, come and see. Red is the apple, shiny and round. Red is the rose that grows from the ground. Red, red, see it spread. Little ones giggle, their faces turn red. Next comes yup blue, like the sky up above. Blue is the ocean where we splash and shove. Blue, blue, look at me. Waves of laughter flow like a sea. Now for the yellow, bright as the sun. Yellow is laughter, it's all about fun. Yellow, yellow, shine so bright. A smile on your face brings pure delight. Then there's green, like grass under feet. Green is the leaf where two little friends meet. Green, green, jump around. Little hearts leap with joy unbound. Don't forget purple, regal and bold. Purple is magic in stories told. Purple, purple, can you see? With dreams in our eyes, let's just be free. Lastly comes orange, juicy and sweet. Orange is sunset when day turns to greet. Orange, orange, what a treat. Together we dance to this colorful beat. So here are our colors, red, blue too. Yellow and green, purple shines through. And orange so bright, one last big cheer. 10 little ducks say colors are here. With every repetition, a joyful song sung. Learning these colors keeps hearts ever young. For every small duckling learning today, colors bring smiles in a magical way. So remember these hues when you play around. 10 little ducks teaching joy can be found. In red and in blue, yellow shines bright. Colors unite us with pure-hearted light. In azure depths where silence dwells, 5 ducks glide with graceful spells. Their feathers glisten bright and bold. Beneath the waves a tale unfolds. A starfish sprawls on sandy bed, its arms outstretched like dreams unsaid. The ducks dive low with curious eyes among the coral where magic lies. A dolphin dances in the light with playful flips that spark delight. It twirls around with effortless grace, inviting all to join the chase. Da-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Da-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. The seaweed sways in gentle streams where sunlight weaves through liquid dreams. The ducks dive deeper into play, an underwater ballet at bay. With every splash and joyful quack, they forge connections in their track. Each creature's laugh a symphony in harmony beneath the sea. But shadows loom as currents shift, an echo of a longing gift. For fleeting moments slip away like grains of sand at end of day. Yet still they roam through ocean's heart, united by their timeless art. When laughter shared and joys released, these 5 dear friends find love increased. So let us cherish what we see, the beauty found beneath the sea. For even as our worlds may part, connection thrives within each heart. Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Ba-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dum.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.